Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's April 19th, 2023. Real quick, we're going to talk about DraftKings to see where will the stock price go. What's the next move? Is it going to go higher? You guys can see it. That currently DraftKings is going against what I thought price was going to do. But now we're knocking on the door of resistance around $21 for DraftKings. Do you think price is going to get rejected and go down? Or do you think price is going to break that resistance zone of $21 and break out? Let's talk about it, because currently it does look as if the market in DraftKings is going to break $21 to the upside. But wait, earnings is coming up May the 4th, 2023. So less than a month. We need to pay attention going forward whether or not the market participants will hold the price in DraftKings this way and let the market trade from left to right, because this could be the catalyst in DraftKings, the earnings that would let price crater below $21 and go a lot lower than where it is right now. So if the market hovers here, okay, let me tell you what's going on if that do happen. If the market hovers here until the earnings release, then this means that the market is selling their positions, because they know that once earnings is released on May the 4th, that price is going to go lower. So they're trying to take their current positions and profit from the recent move up in DraftKings. They're trying to get ahead of the game. So we really need to be paying attention to see how the market in DraftKings trades around this resistance area. Real quick, let's look at this on the 2-day chart. Okay, so here it is. We have 9 hours left on the current 2-day price bar in DraftKings, and it is bullish. Like I admit, you guys can see it. The price is definitely trying to break $21 to the upside. But I want you all to see this though. What happened the last time DraftKings was there? Right? Take a look. What happened the last time? Price into the market at DraftKings slightly went down. It wasn't drastic. It wasn't massive. It wasn't a plummet. It wasn't a crash. It just drifted down. And now we're knocking on the door again at $21. Now, volume came in down during the February time frame when price was at $21. We're not really seeing the volume today. Here it is on the 3-day. Okay. So currently the market is telling me that my idea of looking for DraftKings to go down currently is not going to happen. And when you recognize these things, you just got to be a man and say, look, yeah, I didn't get this one correct. I'm on the wrong side of the market. I need to participate with the majority of the market participants and look for DraftKings to go higher. Because currently this market is bullish, especially on the 5-day chart in the next day and 9 hours. Like, let's see in the next day and 9 hours if DraftKings is going to close the way that it looks now. If it does, then definitely this market in DraftKings is trying to break out. Even on the 3-day chart. In the next day and 9 hours, take a look at it. Make sure you look at the chart on the 3-day and the 5-day time frame in the next day and 9 hours. Again, that's it on the 2 weeks. It looks pretty good. So the market is telling me that I need to go ahead and cut out this position, this idea, this prediction, and say price is not going to go down, and play the market to the upside. So if we were to get out the market now in DraftKings on the last trade of yesterday, you guys see it's around 16%. In pre-market, it's around 15%. Okay. Now, we understand that this is a probable game that we're looking at, and we understand that we're currently knocking on the door resistance. So again, this prediction of us looking for DraftKings to go higher may not even come to fruition because of what we're up against. Like, we recognize that this is resistance. So some people may say, don't come in and participate. You know, the market is going to go down from here in DraftKings, just like it did in February 2023, and then again in August of 2022. But check this out. We're going to look for the price in DraftKings to continue to go higher as long as the market comes through it and holds $17. Let me go ahead and put this on the chart, the magnifying glass, you guys can see it. Okay, so we're going to look for the market to go higher in DraftKings as long as price holds $17.21. That's 17.34% loss though. And then our first target in DraftKings is going to be around 22.50. Okay. 22.50 is going to be our first target. It's 8.25%. Move higher. $22.54. My second target is going to be here around 24. Okay, that's 15.9%. $24 there. Now, if it maintains its bullishness now that we see on the chart, then the next target is going to be around 26. Okay, now I'm going to put it up there to 26, but I'm not looking for price to hit that yet. All right, so that will be my third target though, $26. That is it. I am done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Let me know, where do you think price in DraftKings is going to go?